So in the last lecture, we revised chapter 1. That is clear to all. Chapter 1 is thoroughly understood by you people. Did you revise the concepts? Yes? Revised? Raise your hand. Did you revise? So today we are going to start with new chapter, that is chapter number 6. So open chapter number 6 from your book. Open chapter number 6. So chapter number 6 is bache, that is MS PowerPoint, that you have already done in I think 4th class also. So I think you must be having some basic idea regarding the PowerPoint. पढ़ा है ना आपने 4th में? So who will tell me what is PowerPoint? Just a rough idea. Yuvraj, be attentive now. Who will tell me? Okay, Jivika, you want to give answer? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, may I tell?
PowerPoint.
Ma'am,
PowerPoint is a computer software used to
presentations.
make presentations in schools and offices.
Okay, good. Any other answer?
Ma'am, Microsoft PowerPoint is a software which is used to make presentations in school, offices, banks.
Okay. So yes, MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. So presentation softwares are those softwares which are helpful in making the presentations, right? And using the software PowerPoint, you can able to make the presentation. Presentation is just a collection of slides where you are going to represent some information and you are presenting that thing to the audience, to the large number of people. Clear? So we can make the presentations with the help of the presentation softwares. So a presentation is the practice of showing and explaining the content of the topic to an audience or the learner. Whatever the topic you want to explain, you can easily explain with the help of the presentation. Like we teachers are making presentations and with the help of which we are able to explain you the contents of the lesson. Hai na? So it is a software, it is the computer software which is used to show information in the form of slideshow. So basically we run slides in the presentation. Now various types of presentation softwares are available, bache. That is MS PowerPoint, Google Slides, Apple Keynote, OpenOffice Impress, and many other examples are there of the presentation software. But in your syllabus, we have to do MS PowerPoint, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's understand what is MS PowerPoint. So as you already discussed in the last class and right now also you are telling me, so MS PowerPoint is a presentation software which is used in schools, in offices, in organizations, which is helpful in creating the electronic presentations. Electronic presentations means the slides, electronic slides that can be shown on the large screen, on the projector, so that it can be shown to the large number of people at a time. एक ही टाइम पे आप कितने सारे people को एक टाइम पे अपनी larger screen पे डिपिक्ट करके you can able to show your information. Okay. So PowerPoint is also helpful in creating the photo albums or helpful in creating the audio and video files. आप इससे audio और अपनी video files भी बना सकते हो. आप photo albums भी create कर सकते हो. Basically PowerPoint में we are having the slides. Slide is nothing, it is just the electronic page, and on that page you are just gathering the information which you want to show to the audience. उसमें अपनी information को gather करते हैं electronically, pictures, graphics, text, charts, tables, so many things we can insert on the slide and we can able to represent our information more attractively and efficiently with the help of slides. So slide can contain text, music, charts, pictures. We can also apply themes or background colors to our slides. So we will do these things practically also कि कैसे हमने themes change करने हैं, background colors कैसे लगाने हैं. So we will be doing this practically. And same thing you have to implement at your home also for giving the practical practice. Okay, you people are having system with you? Yes. So you have to do it practically also, whatever the things I will taught. Okay. So next is, what are the various objects that you can insert on these slides? In the last year, in 4th class, you might have studied the basic formatting of PowerPoint, कि कैसे slides बनाते हैं, PowerPoint पे content कैसे gather करते हैं, and what are the formattings that you can apply to the slide. But now this time you are going to learn which objects we can apply on the slide. कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स हम अपनी स्लाइड के ऊपर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. Clear? So there are 2 methods for inserting anything. For example, if you want to insert a picture on a slide, मुझे picture insert करनी है slide पे, so I am having 2 methods with the help of which we can able to insert the picture. Either you can insert it using insert tab, or you can insert it using suitable slide layouts. So we are having different slide layouts. With the help of slide layouts, you can able to insert the picture. The second method is you can able to insert the picture using the insert tab. So I hope this thing is clear. कि picture के inserting के 2 methods कौन से हैं, either using slide layout or either using insert tab. So I will show you these 2 methods now practically also. कि आपको practically insert tab से और slide layout से how you are able to insert the picture. So let me share the screen of PowerPoint now. Yes, Raina.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, ये जो आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे थे, हमने वो अपनी रफ कॉपी में नोट करना है?
You can do. अगर आप उसको मेमोराइज कर सकते हो, यू कैन. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे को शॉर्ट में नोट्स लिख लेने चाहिए, तो इट्स अप टू यू. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
So now this is the PowerPoint window, as you all are familiar with. When you have to create a new presentation, what we do, we click on blank presentation. So this I'm taking as a blank presentation now. Otherwise आप कोई भी डिजाइन भी ले सकते थे. For example, let it be मैं new create कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. So you can take any of this themes are available. So in the themes you can see so many themes are available. So you can use any that you like in which you want to make the presentation. See, so many themes are coming now. So let it be, if I'm taking, so I'm choosing this one. So now this is asking me to create. So I will click on create button. So now see, my theme is ready. I'm getting the content. So next thing, bache, I want to tell you this thing, this rectangular portion, just look at my mouse pointer where I'm moving the mouse. This thing is called a slide. Ye slides hai. So let me discuss firstly the components. I know you are already familiar with, but still, this is the title bar. The first bar is the title bar where the name of the application will appear. That is presentation 2. It is coming now. Save it and we will give it our own name. Clear? A screen is visible to all. Screen is visible. Just let me know in the chat box. Yes, bache. Everybody is able to see my screen. A PowerPoint window wali screen aapko visible ho rahi hai. Okay, Divyakshi, so screen is visible. You can join again. Okay, so this is the title bar. On the title bar, you are having 3 buttons, that is minimize, maximize, and close. And also the name of the application. Once we will save it, we can change it. After that, there are tabs: file tab, home tab, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow. So these all are the tabs. Under the tabs, you can see a ribbon is there, that is groups are there. Clipboard group, slides group, font group, paragraph group, drawing group, editing group, right? और उसकी साइड पे लेफ्ट साइड पे दिस इज कॉल्ड द नेविगेशन पेन और स्लाइड पेन, यू कैन से दिस इज द स्लाइड पेन where slides are appearing. So this is slide number 1, this is slide number 2. So these are the slides. Clear? Now on the particular this slide I have clicked on, so I'm getting the slide on the work area now. This is the placeholder. Placeholder is the text box in which you can able to enter the text. यहाँ पे text appear हो रहा है ना? See, I can move my placeholder wherever I want to move. So I'm moving it. You can edit the text inside it. For example, if I'm writing, let it be, we are making the presentation on storage devices now. Storage devices, class 5th. Clear? So these are two placeholders. Placeholders, you can see a rectangular dotted box is coming. A rectangular dashed box is coming ना, ये box को हम क्या कहते हैं? This is called the placeholder. And you can move your placeholder anywhere that you want to place it. Similarly, this is the second placeholder. This is the second placeholder where I have written class 5th. So accordingly, you can move and set the position wherever you want to move. You can also resize this text box. Resize this placeholder. आप इसके size को बड़ा कर सकते हो, छोटा कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So this way you can move it. Along with that, you can rotate your placeholder also according to your requirement. Whatever the formatting you want on your slide, so you can do it accordingly. So placeholders, clear बच्चे, the concept of placeholder, how we can add the text inside the placeholder and how we can resize it. These two things are clear. Placeholder को जब मैंने resize किया तो मैं उसके corner handles को, these are the corner handles ना, I am just dragging it. And when you want to move, a 4-handled corner will appear. Just you have to click with the mouse and drag it on the desired position. After that, when you have to enter the text in the placeholder forward, then you have to do just double click on the placeholder, a cursor will appear, type the text. Clear? Text को कैसे add करेंगे placeholder के अंदर? Double click inside the placeholder, a cursor will appear, and then you have to type the text. Okay, so placeholders, the concept of placeholder is clear to everyone. Clear बच्चे? Give me response.
मैम आई हैव डाउट।
Yes, जीविका.
मैम जैसे आपने कहा था कि जो टेक्स्ट है बीच में वाला, मैम उसको हम कहीं भी घुमा सकते हैं, और मैम जिसमें हमने टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है बॉक्स में, मैम उसको भी हम घुमा सकते हैं कहीं मर्जी।
तो ये प्लेस होल्डर ही है, आप इसको जैसे मर्जी मूव करो. आई एम रोटेटिंग इट.
मैम नो,
जो भी ऑपरेशन होना है.
मैम मैं इसकी बात नहीं कर रही, जो नीचे लाइन बनी हुई है मैम उसको.
दिस लाइन.
यस मैम.
दिस इज द इनबिल्ट लाइन ऑफ थीम. दिस इज द इनबिल्ट लाइन.
ओके मैम.
Now next is, so I have prepared my first slide. Now let it be come on the second slide. So this is the second slide now. So once again, I'm changing the content here. Storage devices. Clear? Storage devices. So this is the placeholder. Now how to do the formatting of this text? Simply select the text that you want to edit or that you want to format. ये मेरा placeholder के अंदर text पड़ा हुआ है ना. So inside the placeholder, I am selecting the text from the font group. Font group के अंदर you can choose the options. For example, see, I am giving the formatting. You can increase the size. Then you can give color. Like this. So I have given the color now. You can make it as bold, italic, underline, right? You can also give shadow, alignment can be set, line spacing can be set, shape fill you can give, then shape effects you can give. So I have given somewhat reflection, you can see. So this is all about the formatting कि आपको formatting करनी कैसे है. Now, this is the next placeholder. The first storage device, that is compact disk. Then digital video disk. Next is hard disk. And I am assuming कि ये मेरी pictures लगी हुई हैं, ठीक है? But आपको मैं भी method बताऊंगी कि हमने picture को insert कैसे करना है. But before that, I am once again going to format my text. So I'm doing the formatting of the text from the font group. Right? Then you can change the colors also. This way. Right? So this thing is clear. Now next is to insert new slide. Already I was getting 2 slides from the theme. Now how to insert new slide? Right click on the present slide. So I'm telling you the methods. You can see right click on the present slide in the slide pane. After doing right click, I'm getting the option of new slide. So new slide is appearing. Clear? Second method, you can do it from the home tab slides group. Home tab slides group, then new slide. Now here you can see a slide layouts are appearing कि आपको कौन सा layout choose करना है. Title slide, title and content, section header, 2 contents, comparisons, title only, picture with the caption. So you can choose any. For example, if I have taken this slide layout, from here also you can change the slide layouts. Under the layout button, you can choose the layouts of the slide. Slide layouts means what type of slide you want to take in your presentation. So different slide layouts we are having. Title and content, section header, 2 content, content with caption. So you can use accordingly. आपकी requirement पे depend करते हैं कि आपने किस तरह की slide लेनी है. So now I want to reorder my slides. ये मेरे पास 1, 2, 3, 4 slides आ रही है ना. I want कि मेरी 4th slide should be the 3rd one. What will I do? I will simply click on my this slide, select it, just drag it. See, मैं position change कर रही हूँ slide की. Simply by clicking, you can change the position of the slide. Like this. The method is clear how to change the order of slide. You can also change in the slide sorter view, but you can directly change. This is a shortcut method. You can change it directly from the slides pane. So now this was the first slide. This is the second, and this one is the 3rd slide. This thing is clear. Now let it be. I'm again changing the order. Now let's discuss the methods for inserting picture. Methods for inserting picture on slide. Then you can choose shape fill. Now let's write the method. I told you first method is using insert tab. Second method using suitable slide layout. So these are the two methods with the help of which you can able to insert the picture. So these are the two methods. Now let's do the first method, how to insert the picture using insert tab. So I'm writing using insert tab. जब आपको insert tab से picture insert करनी है, so what is the method for that? We have to follow the command, that is insert tab, images group, pictures option. What is the command for inserting the picture from insert tab? Repeat after me. Speak out, everyone. Speak out, everyone. I want to see your lips moving. Insert tab.
Insert tab.
Very good. Then images group.
Images group.
Picture option.
Picture option.
What is the command? Once again, repeat with me. Insert tab, images group, picture option. Every one of you speak. Jessica, you are not repeating. What is the command for inserting picture from the insert tab? Insert tab, images group, picture option. So once again, you can format your text like this. Insert tab, images group, picture option. So I'm going to insert a picture now practically. अभी मैंने आपको command बताई थी कि हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So from the insert tab, see, insert tab, images group, picture option. So clicking on the picture option, insert picture dialog box will appear. जब आप command follow करेंगे तो after that what will open? Insert picture dialog box will open. Carefully listen the steps, whatever I'm speaking. Insert tab, images group, picture option. After following the command, insert picture dialog box will appear. Now you can choose the desired pictures from here. So many pictures are coming. So you can choose the picture. Let it be, if I'm taking from here, just a second, let me find the pictures. So this is insert picture dialog box, right? Now you have to find out the pictures. For example, if I'm choosing this picture, right? So the picture has been inserted. Now you can resize the picture as well. Simply with the help of the corner handle, you can insert the picture. You can resize the picture like this. आपको जितनी requirement है, you can set the size of the picture. You can move your picture anywhere. Clear? Then this way you can increase the size of picture also. Now I have inserted a picture. Now the next thing, you can apply the formatting effects. How to give formatting effects? You can give border to this picture. So picture has been selected. When the picture will be inserted, you can see a picture tools over the format tab is appearing. Look at my mouse pointer. Picture tools format tab is appearing. Now from this, you can choose the border. You can choose the border like this. So I have taken this. Now after choosing these picture styles, यहाँ से हमने picture style लिया. Now the picture border, color of the border you can set. So color of the border. Then after that, the line, the outer line, जो border की line आ रही है, आपको उसको कितना thick रखना है? You can specify the thickness. So I have given the thickness now. Dashed line, कौन सी आपको line लगानी है? Dotted or dashed. So this thing you can do. Then picture effects. So see, shadow आ रही है ना नीचे picture के. You are getting the shadow. You can give glow also. तो मैंने पिक्चर की साइड्स पे देखो ग्लो इफेक्ट दिया, दैट इज द पिक्चर इफेक्ट्स. यू कैन गिव द effects like this, that is 3D rotation effects. So these are all the layouts of the picture. Clear? How to give picture effects? This is clear, bache? So we discussed first method, that is using the insert tab. Now I'm inserting one slide more. So in this slide, I have mentioned the steps that with the help of insert tab, you can able to insert the picture. Now the second method is using suitable slide layout. Using suitable slide layout. So with the help of slide layout, you can insert these pictures. Then formattings. Next, suitable slide layout means you can see from the home tab, these layouts are coming. From the home tab, you can see under the slides group, layouts are coming. So wahan se we will be choosing title and content. Title and content. Now in this you can see title and content means यहाँ पे title भी आएगा slide का, और content आपको किस तरह का content चाहिए. So you can see the contents: table, charts, insert table, insert chart, insert smart art graphic, insert video, online pictures and pictures. पहले हमने ये वाली स्लाइड पे क्या किया, हमने इंसर्ट टैब से इमेजेस ग्रुप के अंदर पिक्चर ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट किया. And on this slide, I'm directly clicking on the pictures button. I'm directly clicking on the picture button क्योंकि I have chosen this slide layout. जो slide layout है जिसके ऊपर पहले से ही picture option is appearing. So I'm clicking on this picture. So once again, insert picture dialog box will appear. So you can choose the desired pictures. So once again, the same method. You can choose the pictures. For example, if I'm taking this picture, so from the suitable slide layout, now once again, you can drag, you can resize, and you can give picture styles, then you can give picture borders. So picture border, then color of the border you can specify. Then weight, कितनी आपको thickness रखनी है, and then the dashed line. See, पहले solid line आ रही थी border की, now I can set the dashed line, dotted line. So these options you can choose. Clear? Two methods are clear for inserting picture. One was using insert tab, and second was using suitable slide layout. Any doubt to anyone now? I'm using PowerPoint 16, but in your syllabus you have to use PowerPoint 10. Okay? Sari options same hai. All the options are same. Now, any doubt to anyone in the today's topic? Yes, Sanaya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जो आपने फोर्थ स्लाइड शो की है, एक बार वो फिर से शो कर दो.
फोर्थ स्लाइड में क्या नहीं पता चला?
मैम इसमें आपने वो पिक्चर कैसे इंसर्ट की है?
From the command. If I'm taking a new slide, now look at the method again. Insert tab, images group, picture option. जब आप ये command follow करेंगे, after clicking on the picture, you are getting insert picture dialog box. Insert picture dialog box के अंदर you are getting the pictures. So you can choose the picture like this and the picture will be inserted. आप जोन से भी पिक्चर पिक करोगे वहां से पिक्चर आपकी इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. क्लियर?
और मैम आपने जो सेकंड स्लाइड पे कलर भी आपने लगाया है ना पीछे, अपने स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस आपने लिखा उसके पीछे कलर, वो कैसे लगाया है?
दिस कलर,
यस मैम, ग्रीन कलर.
जो टेक्स्ट का कलर है बच्चे वो यहाँ से आ रहा है, दैट इज फ्रॉम द फॉन्ट कलर. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू गिव द बैकग्राउंड कलर, तो दिस इज फ्रॉम द शेप फिल. शेप फिल.
ओके मैम.
क्लियर?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Any doubt now?
मैम
To do it practically at your homes also.
Ma'am, I have a
same
doubt.
चीज को, हाँ जी,
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट.
speak out.
मैम एक फोर्थ पिक्चर शो करना.
हाँ जी,
मैम फोर्थ पिक्चर में मैम वहाँ पे एक फोटो लगाई है मैम, और उसके साइड पे आपने एक टेबल कैसे बनाया है?
this
फोर्थ
table,
पिक्चर
this table you are saying where I have written the
मैम
text.
पिक्चर ही नहीं आ रही. यस
This is the slide layout I have chosen.
आपने
दिस इज द स्लाइड लेआउट. बच्चे जब मैंने स्लाइड इंसर्ट करी है, मैंने आपको उसके पहले ही दिखाया है कि स्लाइड लेआउट आपने लगाना है. स्लाइड लेआउट आपके यहाँ से आ रहे हैं, यहाँ से आप जोन सा भी स्लाइड लेआउट उठाओगे दैट विल बी एंटर्ड. सो इफ आई एम यूजिंग दिस, दिस थिंग इज ऑलरेडी कमिंग. दिस इज द स्लाइड लेआउट.
नो